Hey guys, this is Christine from It Started With One. So, guess what? Today in the subject, today we are going to learn how to actually control our puppets. Yeah, remember you guys did the hand one, learning how to talk with your hand, and then today we're actually going to learn how to do the voice. Okay, so stay tuned. Yay! So today we decided to come outside. I think we might be in the wrong area. Hold on a second. Alright, so today we decided to come outside, and I'd like to show you a couple of my deals. Whatever. Okay, so today we decided to come outside, and I wanted to show you how I use my puppet, and his name is Pork Chop. So this is my buddy Pork Chop. He does a lot of stuff with me. Hello, man. My name is Pork Chop. Yeah. He's like the greatest. He's been one of my greatest sidekicks I've had so far, because I've had him the longest out of all my puppets. Yep. Yeah, you did. So, how you doing today? Oh, I'm totally excited, and I am so enthused about everything happening here. So, we're supposed to tell you how I got my voice, right? Right? Yeah, we're supposed to tell you I got his voice. Well, the thing is I've always had a knack for doing different voices and talking different stuff. But when I pick up a puppet, it's really weird. As you will figure it out when you pick up your own friend, that you could develop a different voice with no problem at all. Pork Chop reminded me of kind of like a hippie dude. Yeah, I'm a hippie. So he reminded me of a hippie, so I, in turn, made him have a hippie voice. Hello! And hello! Ha ha ha! Ha ha! So to make Pork Chop's voice, it goes down deep into, you roll the back of your throat. I guess that's all I can kind of say. It's like kind of clog. Use your throat and kind of go like this. Make it tight as you can without worrying about if you're suffocating or not. If it's not comfortable to you, do not do it, because it's going to take a long... If it's not... What? If it's not comfortable to you, some of the things you're going to do for a while, it could strain your voice. So, but you forgot to say something. What'd I forget? You got to practice with it. Got to practice. And if you're not happy with the voice, change it. Yeah, if you're not happy with the voice, change it. You could do anything you want, but his voice has just been what? You don't like my voice? Nah. No. His voice has been really good for me. What are you doing? I'm grooving to the music in my head. Grooving to the music in his head. Okay. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. So anyway, that's Pork Chop, and this is going to be kind of a short video. So you guys need to tell me what you guys would like to know, how to talk, whatever. Just tell me, and me and Pork Chop will figure out how to tell you. I'll tell you that I love you forever. Yeah. He's my buddy. So we'll talk to you later, okay? All right. Bye. Bye, Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry.